am so glad that I did not trust the IMDb ratings of this movie. Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today I want to talk about this Hindi film which got an OTT release a couple of weeks back, Sandeep or Pinky Farrar, which has been directed by Dibakar Banerjee and it stars Arjun Kapoor and Parineeti Chopra in the lead roles. Now the day this movie got an OTT release, the IMDb rating of this film was 3.9. This movie initially had gotten a limited theatrical release and at that point of time people were bashing it left, right and center and giving it poor ratings in IMDb. But now if you see, after the OTT release, all of a sudden, surprisingly, the IMDb ratings have increased, and the reason for that is it's not a bad movie. Honestly, if you ask me also, even I did not trust Arjun Kapoor and Parineeti Chopra's acting when I sat down to watch this film, but I did trust Dibakar Banerjee. I have been a long time admirer of his directorial work, and with that trust in my heart, I finally gave this movie a go. And thank God I did, because this movie turned out to be a great viewing experience for me. So yes, let's analyze the various aspects in detail. This is in ideal terms a chase story, but I really would not term it as a thriller. The story is more about understanding human behavior and representation of the two facets of our country. Sandeep Kaur or Sandy Walia is an affluent banker and represents the progressive side of the country, whereas Pinky or Satyender is a suspended low-ranking police officer in Haryana Police. He represents the India that struggles every day to get by and make a decent living. So in larger sense, this is a clash between the elite versus the mass. They get involved in each other's life when certain events transpire and they realize that people are out for their blood and therefore they decide to flee together. In their ordeal to keep themselves safe and not get killed, we see how both the characters influence each other's thinking, perspective and develop an understanding which is purely on human level and doesn't have any preconceived barriers of gender, class, etc. So yes, people expecting a high voltage chase thriller are going to be absolutely disappointed because the point that the director wants to drive from this story is completely different. Now, even though we get some great performances, the strength of this movie lies in its direction and its writing. The story is written by Dibakar Banerjee and Varun Grover, and there are various aspects about the writing which thoroughly impressed me. Number one, the opening sequence narration. In a typical Dibakar Banerjee style, when the opening credits starts rolling, we as an audience wonder what is going to be the setup of this film. The first 15 minutes of this movie are probably one of the best written opening sequences that I've seen in a Hindi film. This is the perfect example of how to set the context of the film so that the audience is totally invested on what is about to happen. Second, the social commentary throughout the writing. I am personally a huge fan of writing which has a lot of subtext. This is something that I've very commonly seen in Malayalam cinema, but such writing is not often witnessed in a very large scale in Hindi cinema, where the story on the surface is something but the underlying message is completely different. Recent examples that I can think of are Nayat and Kala, which on the surface, looks like a thriller or a revenge drama respectively, but there is so much social commentary that goes on throughout the storyline. And this is exactly what we get in this movie as well. And honestly, every Dibakar Banerjee film that I have watched, the writing has been top-notch. Third, the biases that the society has towards both the genders has been also written very well, especially through the eyes of a couple which has been played by Raghuveer Yadav and Neena Gupta. They are just referred as uncle and auntie throughout the film. We do not know their names also. A simple scene where Parineeti explains the stock market to a person, the way Raghuveer Yadav's facial expressions depict shock and judgment, that how can she be so well versed as a woman, is one of the many powerful scenes in the overall writing. Another scene where we see Arjun Kapoor wash off the blood off of Parineeti while she is unconscious is sure to invoke a great sense of pain and admiration for the character of Pinky, because the general perception about men goes that they are not sensitive to a woman's pain, and especially men from Haryana. The writing effectively shows as well as breaks so many of such stereotypes. As an admirer of Dibakar Banerjee's work, I already expected him to direct the film well. But what impressed me the most is how he made all, and I mean all of the characters shine. As I said before, I honestly admit that I didn't have very high expectations when it came to Arjun and Parineeti's performance, performance, but the way they have acted in this movie, it just goes to show how important it is to be under a good director so that your talent as an actor comes out. He is one of the best filmmakers in the Hindi film industry, and the masses really need to now start paying attention to his writing style and directorial style. Of late, as an audience, we have been demanding from the Hindi film industry to come out with good stories, good movies, some quality content basically. But when a director like Dibakar Banerjee is putting out a good movie, is putting out a different kind of story, I mean, as an audience, we are outrightly rejecting it. So I feel there is still a certain sense of disconnect between the Hindi film industry and the audience demand. I don't know, please share your thoughts. Alright, a big disclaimer now. This movie is slow. It is a slow paced film. The runtime is about 2 hours, and yeah, it is a slow burn. So people who are not used to watching slow paced movies are gonna feel bored. I'm not gonna deny this fact that this movie is slow. I think personally the movie is paced in this way is because Dibakar Banerjee probably wanted the audience to actually take in the entire scene and actually understand the gravity of the situation that both these protagonists are going through. I will admit that at certain points also I felt that okay, this particular scene could have moved faster. They are just dragging it out too much and it was really not necessary. But yes, that's the only gripe probably I have from this movie. Cinematography of this movie is fantastic. It is the best technical highlight of this film. The standout and the key cinematography moments for me was the first sequence, the entire opening sequence. It was so beautifully shot, and the ending climax sequence, everything about it, the way the camera work was happening in the crowd and everything in that small bridge, it was superb. I cannot praise all of the actors enough. Like I said before, how important a director's role is to bring out the maximum potential and the maximum talent of an actor. You can just witness in this film. Starting with Jaideep Ahlawat, who plays the role of the corrupt police officer Tyagi. First of all, he's just a fabulous actor, and I'm so happy that he's getting his shine. We see him in more series and more movies now, and he completely deserves all of this attention because of such a fine actor he is. And here also he has just nailed his part. Something about Jaideep Ahlawat is that he so effortlessly can look so menacing, and at the same point of time he can look so empathetic. Then we have Rahul Kumar as Munna. Not a very big role, but he did create a huge impact, and he is very important part of the storyline. Raghuveer Yadav and Neena Gupta are veterans, and they make such a great on-screen pair in this film. The way Raghuveer Yadav has delivered his dialogue, like he is the know-it-all uncle. He knows everything. He has an opinion about everything in this world, and he has a certain sort of mindset which he has depicted perfectly. Neena Gupta as the happy-go-lucky auntie brings so much effortless charm and warmth to the screen, and especially it is required in such a heavy, serious movie. So I think her presence made a huge impact. Then coming to the two leads, my god, I have been proved royally wrong that Arjun Kapoor and Parineeti Chopra had probably forgotten how to act. This is the performance where I could see the Arjun Kapoor and the Parineeti Chopra of Ishaqzaade. Both of them have delivered their characters pitch perfect. You can see it from their dialogue delivery and their body language. The emotion, the kindness, the respect that these both characters show towards each other, and you see the growth of their bond. It has been expressed so much through eyes than dialogue. I was happy as well as sad. Happy because when I was watching their performances, it made me genuinely happy seeing that there was a sincere effort given towards their craft, and sad because of the bashing that these two got. After the OTT release, probably a lot of people realized that okay, it's not that bad also, including me. This movie is streaming on Amazon Prime Video, and I would really urge you to watch it because of how Dibakar Banerjee has weaved this story. I personally love the narration, and I personally love the performances. So yes, those were my thoughts on the Hindi film Sandeep Aur Pinky Farar, which is streaming on Amazon Prime. I hope you've enjoyed this review and have come till the end of the video. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.